So guys, Nano Banana was just released. We just put this video up about Nano Banana just a couple days ago, and then just this morning, Google released Nano Banana on their Google AI Studio right here. You can head on over to Google AI Studio, and then if you head over here, we'll go right back and show you. And you have limited credits, but you can actually just get their API and use their API. It's way cheaper. But if you go down here, you can select Gemini native image, and this is actually, as you can see, generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use these other issues here is, my family has a lot of old, old photos that are really, really old. We're talking old. So what we're going to do is going to colorize this photo right here. And look at how fast we'll do it also. Now the thing is here also while this is generating this colorized image of this, there's a way to enable history. You see, you can, right under here, you can click enable history and save chats. And then you'll have your history right here. But it just finished, so let's check this out. Look at this. Look at that. It kept everything the same, shoes the same. So let's try this again. Let's do multiple at one time. See if it can handle doing multiple photos all at once. Or will that mess it up? This is my Aunt Cher. This is my granddad. And this is my mom right here in the middle. Her speech. Look at that. So it did. Oh my gosh. Are you going to go with number 3? Let's see. Maybe it just got 2. Yeah, it looks like it just got 2. But I mean, look at that. Just so we can compare. My mom looking down like that. I'd say it pretty much got that. My granddad. Boy, it sure zooms them in, but it doesn't zoom in the others. Okay, must be not real great quality, but we can always upscale. That's not bad. Look at that. Impeccable quality, guys, for doing this. Let's try this one again. Oh, I didn't like that. Okay, we're gonna go like this. We'll say upload. Let's do that one, and let's do a picture of my mom at the same time. And we'll say colorize these photos. And there you go. So this is actually using the Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview. And they just updated their UI here, so you can see, you can actually select according to what you want to do for your use case, what large language model you should use. And now, right now, like I said, we're using the Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview. Now, this one is also known as Nano Banana. So now you can actually access this. And yes, you can only access it a little bit. They will block you after a little bit. But What on earth is this doing? It responded. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. See, I gave it these two images of my Aunt Cher and my mother, told it colorize and modernize these photos or this photos. That's probably the reason why. I wonder if it's because I that confused it. But it thought this was modernizing and colorizing and modernizing that photo. Well, that's what I'm saying. These AIs, they got a bit more to go. Let's see if it these photos didn't catch that the first time. I was typing too fast. But no, let's see if we rerun it. Came up with the castle. All right, that's hilarious. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick because Google just launched this. It's available at aistudio.google.com. You log in with your regular Google account, sign up if you don't have one, and it's free. So try it out. It's pretty awesome. Great way to colorize your old photos, unless you start getting this kind of bunk. Now it's going giving me a camera. Okay, so that does confuse it because now if I go back, let's try this out and see. We're going to do each one of those individually just to see if that's the issue. Let's do that one. But yeah, and you can see your chats here, your previous chats, all that kind of stuff. See, so that's what it was. It was trying to blend the two together. I'm going to save that. Yeah, it's trying to blend the two together. See, so if I upload the picture of my mother and I tell it to colorize that photo, see, it's thinking, what do you want to add those two together is what it's thinking. So if I would have put like a building and a picture of my mother or a picture of my Aunt Chair in there, then it would have basically put that person in front of the building or what have you, inside a car or whatever you ask it to do. So that's what totally confused it. Wow, it didn't do great on the color. The color's kind of weird looking, but it did colorize it. All right. So there you have it, guys. Head on over to Google and try it out. aistudio.google.com is where you can get to it. You're going to be brought here to this page. And just to show you exactly how to do it, if you wanted to, you can go here. Oh, first, let's try it in an app. Let's see what's going on with that. How does that work? Face detection, upload a simple photo. Okay, we'll upload this photo. And we're going to say, first click a point of the image. There we go. See how good it is at editing this. I said whiten the person's teeth. Didn't seem to do anything. Let's see. Change the shirt to a plaid shirt. So it does that. It's good at changing shirts, but changing clothes, stuff like that. So this would be great for like a, you know, design program type use case for people shopping for clothes and what have you. It'd be really a good one for that. See, they have different synthwave, anime, and all this is free, guys. I mean, it does use your tokens, but you get new tokens every month. So I'll check that out. Of course, I am also whatever pro member or whatever it's called. So, well, that's pretty cool. And you can always download what you designed. So I can download that one, save it. So that's pretty cool. So let's check out what else can we do on this. Uh, add a face detection, add AI background removal. Let's see what this does. So yeah, I really suggest heading over to aistudio.google.com, guys. Log in, check it out. Like I said, I am a Plus member, what have you. I can't go back until this is done. Okay, we'll wait. I'll be patient for a split second. But you see, the deal is this. You can go over here and use this awesome brand new image generator or image editor for, yeah, it might cost something, I suppose, but little to no cost, as you see. Now we're over in build apps with Gemini, Gemini, Cricket. All right, let's see here. What do we want to build an app for? Let's see. Build an app that checks. Can't type. Let's see. Now this is just off the cuff. Literally just thought of that while I was typing, so definitely could do a better prompt than that one, but this is just a basic app and what it came up with when I said build an app that checks the real estate market for houses that just sold in California. What did it come up with? Well, it came up with an error. So that was a fail, I would say. Generated by Gemini. Fail. So the index.tx sucks and it all sucked. So let's see here. Let's do facial recognition that that side loads on to my Ray-Ban Meta Smart glasses to search for information about people. The glasses come in contact with. And this actually just happened. Georgia Tech University students ended up hacking their Meta Ray-Ban sunglasses, adding some sort of connection to where they're able to tap into some LLMs. They didn't say which ones, but essentially, whatever they looked at, it would then send the person a text message about every single thing about the person they were looking at. It would search all the different databases on the internet, and sure enough, it would do it. So let's try this out. Let's try to do a similar thing. See if it'll even be able to do that. See, as they say, this is as bad as it's going to get, guys, because it ain't going back. It's only going forward. If you don't know how to do this kind of stuff and handle AI, then you might be part of the statistic that loses your job to AI. And that's the reason why I invented the AI Agent Innovation Academy to teach people how to properly use AI and properly context uh, context prompt. But yeah. Anyways, look, it's working this time. I think it's actually working. Wow, did I just create a software that connects to my Meta smart glasses to be able to search for people's information on the internet and then text it to me? Okay. Yes, I will allow this. Allow. Wow, guys, I think it's can you imagine this in my look at this is gonna watch. Check this out. Ready to scan. Scan. Unknown person not recognized as public figure or insufficient data. That's right. I'm not famous. Okay, so now let's see. I don't have a picture of any famous people. What about this? Um, all right. So I'm going to tell it to search Facebook, Instagram, and all other social networks for the person also. So are you guys seeing this? Like, head on over to aistudio.google.com. Look at what I'm developing right now. I don't have my smart glasses with me. They're in the other room, but you guys just don't understand. This is going to be connected to my smart glasses now so that I'm going to be able to see whatever I see, and it's going to text me about those people, just like those two MIT students that did it. I wonder if this is how they did it. Hmm, it's pretty amazing. So it's writing all the different files right now to handle this. It seems like it's might be working. Now, of course, the stuff has to be public. You know, it's not going to be able to search like YouTube when it's not public, but still, profile pictures are always public. All right, so now let's try it out and see. Ready to scan. Unknown, unrecognized. Well, didn't get it. Let's see here. If I come up with a picture of, let's see, Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce. There'll be a lot about them right now. Okay, let's see here. Do you guys see this? Do you see this? It just did it. Look, Taylor Swift, an American singer-songwriter known for her narrative songwriting, which often draws from her personal life. She's been a prominent figure in pop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It did it. So now how do I get it to remove? It needs to have a button to remove it. It doesn't have a button to remove it. Okay. So, all right. So now I'm telling it that it needs to have a X so I can exit out of this. But look, guys, the point of the matter is it did it within two iterations, was it? It freaking did it. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Adding a close button, implementing the close functionality, and I think it's actually doing it right now, guys. I'm telling you, this is pretty amazing. This wasn't happening a few months ago. Like, wow. Okay, so it did mess up on the components here. Oh, that's where it messed up. And look, you can click into each one of them wherever they're at. It's pretty amazing. There you go. It's reconstruction, finishing the component right now, completing the component. See if it does it correctly this time. It looks like it sure did. So now let's head back over to the preview. Let's try that image again. Let's try a different one. Doesn't recognize her there. Let's try this one. But look, this is the fact of the matter is, look, it has the X button now. So now if we can get it to recognize her, bam, check it out. Taylor Swift, recognize her, has her birth date, everything about her, and you can exit out of it. So head on over to aistudio.google.com, try out their code assistant. I just created a facial recognition app for my Meta smart glasses. So what can you develop? And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to tap that subscribe button down below. Toggle that notification bell. You're not going to want to miss what's coming up tomorrow. We launch these daily. So what are you waiting for? Hit that toggle on that notification bell, and we'll see you tomorrow.